Hey everybody, welcome back to RC with Adam. I'm Adam, you know that. And today we've got something very special for you. We're doing a giveaway of a 3D printer, which I think is the biggest thing that I've given away so far on this channel, which is pretty cool. This printer right here is the Fokoos Odin-5 that you see right next to me. And this one's mine. You can't have it. It's mine, but I'm going to get you one just like it. Fokoos is actually providing it, so they're working with me on that. So big thanks to Fokoos for doing that. That's super cool. And this printer it's a good one. Like I would recommend it for sure. It's one of my favorites. And I know 3D printer technology is like changing all the time, but I like it. I think it's a great beginner printer for sure. Anyway, that's all aside. I've got videos about how to set this up and details about it and things like that. But if you want to enter to win one of these things, leave a comment down below on this video on YouTube. Now, you might be seeing this video in some other places like Instagram or wherever else, but you got to come to YouTube and leave a comment down in the description or the comments below this video on YouTube, and that's how I'm going to pick a winner. So what's going to happen is check the video description below this video for the full details, but basically 1 week after this video has been posted, I'm going to randomly select a comment, and then I'm going to pick the winner. We're going to verify the winner to make sure, you know, it's not some scammer scamming me and all that stuff. And so we're going to make sure that you're you who's winning. And then I'm going to get your shipping information, and then I'm going to give that to the Fokoos team, and then they're going to get one of these printers out to you. Now, please go check out the Fokoos Facebook page or the Facebook community, as well as their Instagram account and their YouTube account. And look, I have no way of actually tracking whether you do that or not. But just to be nice, if you're going to enter in this giveaway, please consider becoming part of the Facebook community for Fokoos, and also subscribing to RC with Adam on YouTube, and I'm also on Instagram. So if you want to just kind of spread the love that way, that would be super great. But you definitely need to comment down below this video to be entered into this giveaway. All right, I think that's it. Did I cover everything? All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Leave a comment down below, and good luck to you. Happy printing.